Hey, awesome kids! Did you know you take about 20,000 breaths every single day?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Explainer. I am so incredibly excited to be your classroom guide today as we explore what I like to call the ultimate team, the absolutely incredible interconnected factory of the human body. We're going to look at some amazing biological machinery today, and I promise you, by the end of this lesson, you're never going to look at your own body the exact same way again. Okay, let's just jump right in with a massive question. I want you to really think about this for a second. What does it actually take to keep you alive? Right now, as you're sitting there are trillions of cells in 78 different organs constantly working together. They're teaming up every single second of the day just to keep you breathing, functioning, and learning. It's an absolute masterpiece of teamwork. Now check out this staggering number on the board. 60,000. Any guesses what that might be? Well, that is exactly how many miles of blood vessels you have in your body if you somehow stretch them all end to end. I want you to just picture that in your mind for a second. 60,000 miles is literally enough to wrap around the entire Earth more than twice. And all of that is packed right inside of you, delivering everything your body needs to survive. Okay. Here's our game plan for today's lesson. First, we'll meet your body's systems. Second, we'll dive into digestion and how we process our fuel. Third, we'll explore circulation, which is our delivery highway. And finally, we'll see the ultimate teamwork that holds the whole shebang together. All right, moving right along to Section 1, Meet Your Body's Systems, a quick overview of our biological machinery. I want you to imagine your body as this giant, bustling city. And just like a city, it has different departments to keep everything running smoothly. We're talking 11 distinct organ systems here. We've got the respiratory system for breathing, the skeletal system giving you structure, the integumentary system, which is your skin and hair protecting the outside walls, and so many more. But here is the absolute most important lesson for today. While they each have specific, highly specialized jobs, not a single one can survive without the others. They are completely 100% dependent on each other. Let's dive a little deeper into how this works. Section 2, Digestion, processing the fuel and extracting nutrients for your whole body. Welcome to your body's raw materials processing plant. Every machine needs fuel, right? And this is where we extract the energy from the food you eat. Now, here's a super common mistake. A lot of people think that when you swallow your food, it just falls down into your stomach because of gravity. Nope. Actually, swallowing is this highly coordinated muscular process called peristalsis. Imagine squeezing a tube of toothpaste from the very bottom up to get the toothpaste out. That's exactly what the muscles in your digestive tract are doing automatically to push fuel through your system. You could literally eat a snack while standing on your head, and peristalsis would still push that food right to your stomach. So let's trace this physical journey step by step. It all starts in your mouth, right? Chewing and saliva begin breaking down starches right away. Then it travels down the esophagus using that peristalsis we just talked about. Next, it hits the stomach, which acts like a giant churning mixer, using strong acids and enzymes to break down proteins. After that, it enters the small intestine, which is basically the absolute superstar of nutrient absorption. And finally, whatever is left over moves to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is prepared to leave the body. But here's the thing. That main twisting tube, it absolutely does not work alone. Alongside it, we have these vital accessory organs that basically act like specialized chemical car washes. The liver makes bile to help break down fats. The gallbladder acts as a little storage tank for that bile, and the pancreas creates a powerful juice filled with enzymes to break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into simple sugars and amino acids that your body can actually use. Okay, get ready for a really fun fact that most people actually don't know. Did you know your gut actually has its own localized nervous system? It's called the enteric nervous system, or ENS. It is literally like a second brain just for your belly. When food stretches the walls of your intestines, the ENS senses it and automatically signals your gut muscles and chemical stations to speed up or delay digestion. It's entirely self-managing. How cool is that?
Let's keep moving. Section 3, circulation, the delivery highway transporting fuel and oxygen everywhere.
So our factory has successfully processed the fuel. Awesome. But now we have to actually get it to the trillions of cells that need it to survive. The absolute centerpiece of this sprawling logistics network is your heart, which is a powerful 4-chambered pump. Connected to it is a vast highway of highly specialized tubes. You've got arteries, veins, tiny capillaries, and even lymphatic vessels for fluid balance. All of these work together flawlessly to keep your blood and nutrients flowing in one continuous direction. Now, there's a big difference between the two main types of roads on this delivery highway. Your arteries, those are your high-speed, high-pressure outbound lanes. They have thick walls to handle the forceful pumping of the heart as they carry oxygen-rich blood away to your body. Your veins, on the other hand, well, those are the return routes. Because the pressure is a lot lower by the time the blood heads back, veins have special one-way valves inside them. Think of them like little toll gates that snap shut to prevent the blood from flowing backward. And what's really cool is that your blood doesn't just run in one simple circle. It's actually running on 3 distinct loops at the exact same time. The systemic loop goes out to the whole body. The pulmonary loop makes a special trip just to the lungs to drop off carbon dioxide waste and pick up fresh oxygen. And the coronary loop? That's a special delivery route just for the heart muscle itself, ensuring the pump never, ever runs out of energy. Every single cell gets exactly what it needs.
All right, let's bring it all together. Section 4, the ultimate teamwork, how systems communicate and rely on each other. We've looked at the processing plant and the delivery highway, but how in the world do they know what to do and how do they coordinate? Well, to manage all these different systems, your body relies on the nervous system. This is split right into 2 parts. You have the central nervous system, which is the big command center located in your brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which acts like a massive bundle of communication cables transmitting sensory and motor signals to every limb, muscle, and organ. Without these cables firing signals, your heart literally wouldn't beat and your lungs wouldn't breathe.
I absolutely love this quote because it sums up human biology perfectly. You can't have one without the other. I mean, just think about this amazing cycle. Your skeletal system relies on the nutrients your digestive system breaks down just to build strong bones. But in return, those very bones are busy creating the red blood cells that your circulatory system needs to pump oxygen everywhere. The circulatory system feeds the bones, and the bones make the blood. It is just a perfect, continuous loop of teamwork. All of this incredible teamwork, the nerves firing, the heart pumping, the stomach digesting, it all has one singular, super important goal. And that goal is called homeostasis. Homeostasis is the maintenance of internal stability and balance. Think of it exactly like a thermostat in your house that works automatically to keep the temperature perfectly comfortable, no matter what the weather is doing outside. Your body is always adjusting behind the scenes to keep you perfectly balanced. As we wrap up our lesson today, I want to leave you with a bit of a challenge. Because your body's systems are so incredibly interconnected, a problem in just one system can instantly disrupt the homeostasis of all the others. The health of your digestion affects your blood, which affects your brain, which affects your heart. It's all linked. So acting as your classroom guide today, I want to challenge you. What is one small, healthy habit you're going to change today to protect and fuel your ultimate internal team? Thank you so much for joining me on this awesome journey inside the human body. Keep learning, keep wondering, and I'll see you in our next explainer.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson.